following are statistical questions. So when we look through these, we're looking for ones where we're going to get a variety of different number answers. If everyone's going to have the same answer, or it's not giving us numbers, then it's not statistical. So if we take a look at our first one, how many days are in March? Is that going to give you different number answers? No, everyone's going to tell you the same amount of days. I don't remember what it is, but the number of days in a month aren't going to change. Do you know, Miss Fang?
31.
31, right? Everyone would say 31. They'd look at the calendar and they'd say 31. So that one is not statistical. We can cross it out. Awesome. So now if we look at question 2, how old is your dog? What kind of answers are people going to give you?
Different answers.
Different answers. And are they going to be numbers?
Yes.
Yes. So that's statistical. Ta-da. We could make data about that. We're going to analyze some data about that. Right?
It's not.
Next one. On average, how old are the dogs that live on this street? Right? We all live on different streets, right? So, are we going to give the same answer or different answers?
Different.
Same answer.
Different answers, right? And it's going to be numbers. So we've got another statistical question. What proportion of students at your school like watermelons? Right? If we ask it to different schools, are we going to get different answers?
Yes.
Is it going to be a number?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we got a statistical question. Do you like watermelons? If I ask you that, what are you going to say?
Different answer.
What kind of answer would you give if I ask you that?
Yes or no.
Yes or no? So are we getting numbers? No. How many bricks are in this wall? So if I ask you about a specific wall, like our wall over there, how many bricks are in that wall? Are you going to give me the same answer or different answers?
Same.
Same. So is it statistical?
Yes.
No, it's not statistical. Because everyone's going to tell you, oh, there's that many bricks. Right? We're not going to have any data to analyze, so we're just going to have the same number every single time.
We're changing them all the time.
All right, last one. What was the temperature at noon today at City Hall?
Yes.
Is that going to give you different answers or the same answer?
Yes.
The same. Everyone's going to say the same temperature because it was at the same time and the same place. So it is not statistical. All right, so what makes a question statistical? What is a statistical question? Oh, different answers. Yeah, and specifically, what kind of answers are we looking for? Numbers. Okay, so a statistical question is a question, right? It has to be a question. That has different, and we're going to kind of combine what you both said, different number answers, right?
Do we write that?
Yeah. You can write that unless if you have something else that makes sense in there too, you can do that. It doesn't have to be worded exactly like this. If you wrote something similar, that's fine. But you want your examples down here, right? So a statistical question is a question that has different number answers, right? Example?
How many hearts do you have?
How many hearts do you have? Oh, for a non-example? Yeah, because everyone has one heart. Yeah, that could be a non-example, right? But you can have a different one. It doesn't need to be this one. How many hearts do you have? Because everyone has one heart. That's a silly question. What's one we could use as an example? How many cupcakes did you eat today? Yeah, you could ask that too. Yeah, you could go with either of those. Right? How many cupcakes did you eat today? You could also do the petty one too.
Anything else?
Did you eat any cupcakes today?
No.
Yes. Yes.
If you're going to ask people that, you want to make sure it's the day that people ate cupcakes. Right? You don't want the answer to just be everyone saying 0, right? Yeah, we could also say how many pennies did you have. You could do something simple like how many siblings do you have, right? Like brothers and sisters. How many siblings do you have? All right, so now what you're gonna do with the next 5 minutes is